Welcome to this tutorial. We will be having a look at how to apply filters in your request in VendorPanel. To log into VendorPanel from the LGP homepage, you can hover over the Login and Sign Up button, and then select the second option for VendorPanel. This will direct you to VendorPanel's landing page, where to log in, you can enter your details here on the left. Firstly, we will create a new request and name it. We then select Use Local Government Procurement Lists and confirm. This will then bring us up the full list of panels. For this example, we're going to be requesting truck bodies, so we can scroll down through the LGP panels, locate trucks, bodies, and trailers. Selecting truck bodies and also trailers. Scrolling down, use these categories. We'll then select the supplier list or our panel, LGP 220, and use these lists. And we're now at the stage of the request where we can apply our filters. The filter on the left here will allow you to filter the suppliers by their modern slavery risk rating. The filter in the middle will allow you to filter the suppliers by the regions they service. And in the case of LGP 220, we will also indicate our procurement method. For this example, as we're only procuring the truck body and trailer, we'll only be using LGP 220 and save. This will then provide us with the list of suppliers who service LGP 220 under Central West and Far West. We can select and view their profile information via the link right here. We can view their modern slavery risk rating via this column here. And then we can also view their distance from the location of your council. You can also filter by distance on the right via a map, and this distance will filter according to what you have your location set to under here. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please contact us via the details on the screen at operations@lgp.org.au or on 02 8270 8752.